Hey guys, I'm Jamie and welcome back. In today's video, we have a very exciting unboxing. Recently, I went downtown to the Chicago store and I picked up a few items, including a new handbag. I am so excited to share it with you guys. So let's get right into the unboxings. I received some great news, including a work promotion. For those of you that may not know, I've been working in e-commerce for the last 15 years, including companies like JCPenney's, Ulta Beauty. So it's very exciting to receive this news. And I wanted to celebrate with a little something. This first item is in this orange box. This is an item I've been looking at for a while, and I thought it is that perfect little something that I can wear every day. On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. Now these earrings are in this beautiful rose gold color. I don't know about you, but I think that Hermes makes the perfect rose gold shade. I just love it, and I'm excited to add more pieces in this shade to my collection. Next, let's get into the handbag unboxing. So I will tell you, I was not expecting this handbag. I was perfectly happy with my earrings at this point, but she said, go meet me upstairs, and of course she was going to bring me the earrings, but then she also obviously brought this handbag. So this is the first time I am seeing this handbag since my essay unboxed it in front of me. She had it in the plastic wrap, and then obviously she put it back in the box, and now we are unboxing it together. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving. It's the gold on gold Picotin in the 18 size. My essay said that was pure luck because they didn't have any inventory for a very long time with the pandemic. It just so happened they had these great pieces, and obviously she knew that I love neutrals. And here it is, the beautiful Picotin in the gold on gold. Can you guys think of a more perfect combination for me and my collection? This bag makes my heart sing, you guys. I cannot believe it. I really cannot believe she had this in the store. It blew my mind. There's so many great features of the bag with the metal feet, the contrast stitching. I love the gold hardware. If I had to pick, obviously the gold on gold combination is perfection. Now I probably will get a bag organizer. Right now I just have some stuffing in here. But this is such a lovely, soft, slouchy type of leather, so it will help give it a little bit more structure. Thank you, those of you that voted what bag I purchased, and a few of you were right. Okay, I had to come back and show you guys I have the perfect twilly to match this Picotin. Isn't it perfect? I love it. The colors, they just go so well with this. I'm beyond excited. Guys, I love it. It's so cute. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. I used to have a Fendi Montresor, and I did let that go a while ago, but I still liked it to the point that I considered adding another bucket bag into my life. I considered the Louis Vuitton and even another Montresor, but there was something that I was like, I don't know. So I held off, and when I thought about this Picotin, I saw it was so cute, and I love that it's understated chic. So what do you guys think of my latest handbag purchase? Were you surprised? I'd love to get your thoughts in the comments below, and I will talk to you in my next video.